Good morning, everybody. My name is Timmy Gamers Oshona. Welcome to Part 4. Part we left off. We're doing this.
Protect our vehicle! We need that turret back online!
Appear red on the radar. Allies appear blue. Each objectives appear green.
Agent Clank? You're even more impressive in person than you are on the holovid. And I must say, I've never seen a chauffeur fight like you do, son. Who says you can't find good help these days, right, Clank? Sasha's told me a lot about you. Don't get any ideas, kid. She is way out of your league. Sasha filled me in on the Quark situation. I'm told the man thinks he's a monkey?
He has lost his memory, sir.
Well, then we'll simply have to find it for him. We need our star player back in the game ASAP. Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
My daughter tells me you're a man who's good with his hands, Ratchet.
Sir, I swear I never...
The city's laser shield went down during the attack. Now, we are defenseless without it. I sent out a repairman to fix it.
Just equip it and stand in the path of the laser. Hold L1 and use the left analog stick to aim the beam. Ratchet, there should be a spider symbol somewhere in that row. Use the beam to lead the spider drone over the symbol, and then zap it with the laser.
Hey, look, it's Al. Got the shields up yet?
Silence! I am concentrating.
What the? That's a Quark vid comic.
Excuse me. It is a historically accurate interactive graphic novel.
How can you use the city's defense network to play a video game?
Simple. I bypassed the security server with a 626 hex matrix adapter and reprogrammed a graphics subprocessor.
No, I mean, Clank, you speak, nerd.
It appears you have a feedback loop in the induction coils of your DB3 signal processor.
Impossible! I ran a recursive checksum on the signal matrix. Hey, there is a feedback loop. I don't know what happened.
May we borrow this vid comic?
Treat it gently. It is a first edition.
Perhaps this will help restore Quark's memory.
Shield power restored.
Vid comic, I'm gonna end it. If I complete all these in one day, then this is gonna be epic.
Watch and learn, Clank. This is how a real hero gets it done.
Do you recognize that? That looks like the PlayStation 2. Like the weird screen.
These are the root.
You just picked up an officially licensed Quark token. Collect all the tokens in the level to earn a secret prize. Bling, bling, baby. The red ones are worth 10 Quark tokens.
Gummit. So yeah guys, this is Ray Constance saying that peace out yous. Peace on the long form spelling, which is kind of stupid. Peace out yous. Peace.